This is MMM Community East Africa. Your presenter is Samuel Jonge. What is MMM? MMM is a global mutual aid society. It is a voluntary non-formal union of millions of people providing help and getting help from each other. People here help each other. Today you help someone, tomorrow someone will help you. This is the principle. MMM is a peer-to-peer community whereby members help each other financially.